Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an in-depth look at Secrets Cap Cana Resort and Spa, an adults-only all-inclusive property set on the eastern coast of the Dominican Republic. Located inside the private gated community of Cap Cana near Punta Cana, this resort promises seclusion, luxury, and easy access to world-class golfing and marina facilities. Let's explore what makes Secrets Cap Cana one of the top choices for couples and honeymooners in 2026. Cap Cana is a secure master plan community about 20 minutes from Punta Cana International Airport. The resort sits on Juanillo Beach, a broad strip of powdery white sand lined with palm trees and lapped by turquoise water. Because Cap Cana is gated, the beach remains uncrowded, and guests can stroll for miles without encountering vendors or other resorts. Just inland lies a world-class marina and the Jack Nicklaus-designed Punta Espada golf course, rated one of the Caribbean's top golf courses. This combination of beach, marina, and golf makes Cap Cana a unique destination. Secrets Cap Cana offers over 450 suites decorated in warm Caribbean colors with modern touches. All suites include a private balcony or terrace, king or two queen beds, a whirlpool for two, 24-hour room service, a daily refresh minibar, and complimentary Wi-Fi. Preferred club suites provide upgraded amenities, such as an exclusive lounge, personalized check-in, and access to a private pool and beach area. Guests can dine at 7 a la carte restaurants, a buffet, a grill, a cafe, and a 24-hour venue. Cuisines range from French and Italian to seafood, steakhouse, Pan-Asian, and Dominican. Premium spirits are served at multiple indoor and outdoor bars, including swim-up bars and a lively theater bar. Unlimited a la carte dining means no reservations are required and gratuities are included. Secrets Cap Cana features a stunning infinity pool overlooking the beach, along with quiet pools and whirlpools scattered around the property. Daily activities include yoga, beach volleyball, sailing, and cooking classes. At night, guests enjoy theme parties, live music, and movies under the stars. Water sports such as kayaking, snorkeling, paddleboarding, and deep-sea fishing are available through the on-site dive center. Golfers can arrange tee times at Punta Espada, while adventurers may book excursions to cenote caverns or historical sites. Secrets Cap Cana balances romance and recreation with luxurious suites, gourmet dining, a pristine beach, and abundant activities. Travelers rave about the resort's attentive staff, elegant design, and variety of dining options. The combination of a gated location, upscale suites, gourmet restaurants, and plentiful activities makes this adults-only resort ideal for honeymoons and anniversaries. If you're looking for a getaway that offers both seclusion and adventure in the Dominican Republic, Secrets Cap Cana is a strong contender. Thanks for watching our Secrets Cap Cana review. If this overview helped you plan your dream vacation, please subscribe to Punta Cana to do Includo and check the Expedia affiliate links in the description to book your stay. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth resort reviews.